Making Beret Parade.
Are you ready to make this wonderful apple galette together? Let's go!